Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Here I will show you how to clear cache in Shopify. If you have made updates to your online store, such as changing a product image or updating your theme code, but you still see the old version on your live site, you are likely dealing with a caching issue. Unlike some other platforms, Shopify handles most server-side caching automatically to ensure your store loads quickly. However, this can sometimes lead to confusion when your changes do not appear immediately. In this guide, we will cover the specific steps you can take to force those updates to show up. Understanding Shopify caching. It is important to understand that there is no single button inside the Shopify admin panel that says Clear Cache. Shopify uses a powerful content delivery network to cache your images and files globally. Typically, when you update a file, Shopify automatically clears the cache for that specific item. If you are not seeing the change, the issue is almost always on your end, specifically in your browser, or within a specific third-party app. We will cover total 3 methods. First is Basic and rest 2 or Advanced. Method 1, Clearing your browser cache. This is the most common reason you are not seeing your recent changes. Your computer saves a version of your website to load it faster, so it might be showing you that saved older version instead of the new one. 1. To test this, try opening your store in an incognito window or private browsing mode. If the changes appear correctly there, you know for sure the issue is your browser cache. 2. To fix this permanently, you need to clear your browser data. If you are using Google Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. 3. Navigate to Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. 4. Ensure that cached images and files is selected. 5. Click Clear Data. Now, refresh your Shopify store page, and the new design should appear. Method 2, Handling theme code updates. If you are editing your theme code directly and the changes are not reflecting, simply saving the file usually triggers an update. However, if you are unsure, you can force a refresh. 1. Go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store, then Themes. 2. Click on the Actions button next to your active theme and select Edit Code. 3. Open a common file like theme.liquid. 4. Make a very small change, for example, let's say, add a single space at the end of a line. 5. Save the file. This minor edit often forces the system to recognize a new version and update the live site. Method 3, Clearing app integration cache. Sometimes the issue is not Shopify itself but a third-party app you have installed, such as a page builder or a product filter app. 1. Navigate to the Apps section in your Shopify dashboard. 2. Open the specific app you are working with. 3. Look for a Settings menu or a button labeled Sync, Refresh Cache, or Save Settings. Many apps have their own internal storage that needs to be manually refreshed to display new products or layout changes on your storefront. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to clear cache in Shopify. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.